This is Ava, Glow with Ava. Here's my makeup artist, Joe, and today we're gonna do like a wedding makeup try on, which I'm so excited about. He has his whole full deck laid out here. All right, so our theme is going to be a very natural makeup.
Yeah.
Just kind of like my everyday makeup.
Yeah, very you. You want to make sure you look like yourself that day.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
feel comfortable. So, yeah, let's do it. I got a great canvas to work with today.
Yay, okay.
Skin is lovely as always.
Thank you. I've been eating not great, so it like reflects on my skin.
Yeah, what do you find are the things that like
Sugar.
sugar?
What's that? For my lips?
Yeah, for your lips. Okay.
Ah.
Smells so good, right?
Mm-hmm.
I kind of like a lot of it.
You want to like feature
Mm-hmm.
the ones that I.
Do you want me to have?
Because I love it so much.
And it's like such a wedding product.
I know that's exactly why, because of the pink ones.
Yeah, that glow.
It's so lovely, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is my favorite Korean actress. Well, I basically chose like 3 of my favorite Korean artists, makeup artists. I mean,
Oh,
actresses.
gorgeous. Beautiful.
So she's like the ambassador of Seohwasu. Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah, they all have pretty much the same kind of
Same
color
kinda,
palette.
Yeah, like that.
Beautiful.
Kind of like very natural.
Yeah, super natural.
With like elongated lashes a little bit, but nothing too long.
Mm-hmm. Makes your
I've
skin
never
really
tried that.
sticky. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's like glue.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I don't know if you can kind of feel how it's kind of like
Mhm.
really, but it's not like heavy or anything. It's
Yeah.
just very hydrating, so it's great. So especially
Oh,
for
I
this area.
feel it.
Isn't it great?
Mm-hmm.
So
I
it's,
feel like I need to try this.
yeah, it's really nice. You see how it's
And
like.
I love that you're putting it all over, because primers I usually never put all over my skin.
Mhm. You want to focus on areas where you feel like it
Yeah.
breaks a little bit more, but I do feel like it's important for your wedding to have like.
Have like a full,
Yeah. As far as foundation goes, you always want to kind of pat it in and just kind of melt it into the skin.
Mhm. What brush are you using?
This is an Anisa brush. It's really lovely because
Anisa?
Anisa, yeah, Anisa Beauty.
Wait,
Yeah.
shut up. I have all their skincare brushes.
3.5. I don't know which one.
Do you know the Neo Nude from Armani? The
Mhm.
pink one? I love it so.
You always want to make sure that you pat.
I pat it on.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'd like brush it.
That's good for like this area.
Got it.
But you want to make sure that you pat it, you know.
Oh my god.
Look, this is my makeup artist, Joe.
Hi.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
I know, good morning. We're doing my makeup. So my sister is actually really good at makeup.
Oh, nice.
So she's not gonna need one that day.
Cool. That's good.
But everyone else
Oh,
needs
you've been
it.
like trying out.
Yeah, I'm doing the Armani
test.
foundation right now. You know, it's my favorite.
Oh, that's so cool.
Wait, so are you feeling better now? She just got her vaccine too?
I would have fucking died. Oh, man. So much. And I had like the craziest dreams. Like, yeah, fever, but like I can obviously still walk home. And she was like, okay, just like let me know. So I was like, okay. And I was walking back home. Like the walk is like usually like a 10-minute walk. And I was just feeling so dizzy. And he passed out in the middle of the street. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
She's so sweet. Does she live here?
No, she's in Boston. I was there last weekend.
No, it's blending. I'm just really pressing it. I'm putting a little bit of
Oh,
fix
okay.
gloss in it.
Oh, I've heard good things about that one.
Yeah, it's good. It just kind of sets the makeup, but it's like, it gives it some luminosity. So I'm really just going at it and blending it and pressing it against the skin.
Yeah, I mean, when we were growing up, we couldn't be closer because of the age gap.
Mm-hmm.
And now that we're like both older,
Mm-hmm.
and at the age where like we can talk about like dating, sex, like all of like boy stuff.
So I'm not like a big Kardashian person, but Bella Hadid like actually does this thing where she puts her makeup on and she, you know, does the whole base and then with powder and everything, and she.
I saw that.
Yeah, is that true? Is that like, is
Oh,
that a thing? I mean, I don't.
I just can't try it because I hate the cold.
Yeah.
I would never do it.
So how did you in your how
Lily.
on the what?
Dating app, it's Lily. Oh, also, I think the biggest thing for my wedding day is like I know I'm gonna cry,
Mm-hmm.
so I need something cool.
Yeah, totally. Not like.
But the good thing is, okay, so my parents aren't coming because they're in China, so they can't come, which will highly reduce the chances of me crying way more than I would. That's the only upside of this wedding, where if my parents were there, I know I would just bawl the whole time, without question.
So this is just so we kind of build some longevity, still keeping it fresh. Because my goal is to not make you look like you're anything wrong.
Yeah, that's the goal.
And then how are you with brows? What do you usually?
Oh my god, I don't know anything about brows, Joe.
Okay. All right. Well, your brows are fine. I'll probably just make him look.
Should I go somewhere before my wedding and get them done?
No.
Okay.
Don't do anything you wouldn't normally do.
Yeah.
Look down there. I'm gonna tighten. So that just adds.
Let me see.
You see that?
Oh,
it
my
doesn't
gosh.
look like you have eyeliner
Yeah, this
on.
is perfect. Because I never do like crazy eyeliner. I never wear eyeliner, but this is perfect.
No,
and
this-
if I do, I put it underneath.
Yeah.
Well, this is so good.
Just like to kind of soften whatever transfer up top a little bit. Anything? There you go.
I think like if I had to choose one brand I could use forever,
It'll be Hourglass.
Hourglass and Armani.
Mm-hmm. Brow or something falls into so cute. I love that music.
I know, I love this music.
And you want them darker because it gives dimension, so you see like
really?
yeah.
Okay. So I wasn't sure if I should
Like
go
what?
with the.
Look at you can see it a little bit more here. Like if you look, it doesn't look like you have, but there are little marks in
Wow.
it.
Wow, it looks actually so good.
Mm-hmm.
Eyes are my biggest, like I'm so self-conscious about my eyes.
Why? What's wrong?
They're so big.
No, well, that's what you want. You want big eyes, big, expressive, beautiful
But
eyes.
I'm like Korean, so like, you know, like I used to be called like all kinds of nicknames for my eyes. What?
So be ready to be stained for the rest of the day.
Wow.
I like to apply it with like a fluffy brush,
Fluffy,
so it's
okay.
not like
Too easy.
yeah.
It
And
makes a huge difference.
yeah. Basically, what this means is that I'm gonna put this, and then you can put anything on top, and it doesn't matter if you eat, kiss, whatever. You will always have this, so you don't have to worry about
That's insane.
touching
It's
up.
so important.
Yeah, because you're not gonna be like walking around saying hi and enjoying yourself, being like, oh, I wonder if I have a lip color.
Yeah, I definitely want to do that.
Yeah. Close me. So then you can put your stain on top of that, and it will stick. Yeah, this is basically the same color that I put under.
Yeah.
And it's good that you're using, I recommend you using, honestly I recommend you using your favorite colors. Yeah, this is, and actually I will recommend you wearing something that's not too nude, because it just makes you look dead
I
when
know,
you've got.
I know. Especially with photos and everything, yeah.
Yeah. You have to have a lot of. That's why I asked you about blush,
Mm-hmm.
because I always encourage people to wear blush
Yeah.
when they're having pictures taken, because it just gives color to your in life to your face. Look.
Mmm.
This Dusk from Glossier.
Oh.
It's very similar to the one you have.
I actually own, or used to own. I had to throw it out because it was expired, but I love Dusk.
Yeah, it's my favorite, and I feel like it stays on really well as well.
Dusk looks really good on me.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
There's so many. The thing with me is I'm such a fan of my work. Like I'm such a, not my own work, but such a fan of what I do.
Yeah.
That I am always so grateful for anything that comes my way. And
Okay, we're completely on the same page.
I'm just you want me to do this? You believe in me? You see, because I will say that people hire me because of certain things. They're like, oh, can you do this? Because we saw this, and that's the way it should be. I mean, that's kind of self-explanatory, but at the same time, I love, because I just don't, look up for your card. I just really like having a vision and people understanding the things that I stand for,
Yeah.
What
are you known for?
Skin. So I do a lot of beautiful, a lot of skincare campaigns, a lot of stuff like that.
Yeah.
She was listen, K-Beauty is freaking amazing and it's gonna explode. Before anybody else. And she went to Korea and bought a bunch of stuff. And I was like, wait, what is this amazingness?